Did you know there's a plant that can help you fight dizziness, tinnitus, and even labyrinthitis? So stop everything you're doing right now. Grab a paper and pen because you're about to learn all the benefits and how to use this plant to cure the problem you're facing right now. You won't need any medication. Just this leaf from this plant will relieve the problems I mentioned before. Can you guess which plant I'm talking about? If you said bay leaf, you're right. I'm going to show you that this little plant has been used for years and has countless health benefits. Some even say it has magical powers, like being a charm to attract money. While we can't guarantee that, there are plenty of uses for this leaf in this video, so I recommend you watch until the end. Beyond its symbolism, bay leaf is a medicinal plant rich in nutrients such as potassium, calcium, carbohydrates, fiber, phosphorus, magnesium, folic acid, and vitamins B6, B9, and C. In today's video, you'll learn some of the health benefits of bay leaves and also learn a natural recipe using ingredients you have at home. Get ready, because this recipe has great potential to relieve the dizziness and ringing that's bothering you so much. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever. Are you experiencing any issues with dizziness, tinnitus, or labyrinthitis? What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. First, let's understand what labyrinthitis is. Labyrinthitis is an inflammation in the inner ear, specifically in the region known as the labyrinth. This problem can affect both balance and hearing. The main symptoms are dizziness and vertigo. Although the problem usually manifests after age 40, many people suffer from it much earlier. And you need to be careful. Those who consume alcohol and smoke excessively are strong candidates for this condition, as well as medications like aspirin, coffee, chocolate, and sodas are other villains. If you've already developed labyrinthitis, don't risk consuming anything with caffeine. Benefits of bay leaves. 1. Analgesic and anti-inflammatory. Bayweeds contain eugenol, a compound used in anti-inflammatory medications. That's why it's widely used to ease inflammation throughout the body. Additionally, bay leaves also have analgesic properties, helping to relieve headaches, joint pain, menstrual cramps, and so on. Thus, drinking it as a tea with dried or fresh leaves is an excellent option. 2. Relaxing and relieves stress and anxiety. Because it contains substances like linalool and cineol, bay leaves release essential oils that help relax the central nervous system, relieving stress and anxiety. Therefore, burning them is ideal, as the smoke produced has a relaxing effect on the body and mind. However, care must be taken because regular inhalation of this smoke can cause hallucinations. Thus, it's best not to use this technique too frequently. 3. Natural diuretic. Like many other plants, bay leaf couldn't be left behind. Therefore, it's part of the natural diuretic team, working to hydrate the body, fighting swelling and fluid retention. Due to its diuretic properties, bay leaf also stimulates the functioning of the urinary system. 4. Delays aging. This one is to take advantage of the oil that was already made for breathing. Since bay leaf oil is also wonderful for skin care, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, plus anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, it has the perfect formula to keep skin clean and delay aging. 5. Treats kidney stones. A study looked into how bay leaf extract affects kidney stones. It found that, along with 8 other traditional medicinal herbs, bay leaf can lower urease levels in the body. This suggests it might help treat kidney stones and reduce fluid retention. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. Special recipe to relieve symptoms of dizziness, tinnitus, and labyrinthitis. Ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need some bay leaves. 5 bay leaves will be used, which can be dried or fresh if available. If you have a bay tree, 5 leaves can be picked directly from it. Otherwise, dried bay leaves can be found in natural food stores or supermarkets. After getting the 5 bay leaves, cut them into small pieces. This can be done manually without needing additional utensils. Next, you'll need star anise, easily found in natural food stores and supermarkets. 5 star anise will be used, which are potent and have a higher quantity of anti-inflammatory components than cloves. The star anise should be broken into pieces, ready for the recipe. Next, use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. After mixing all ingredients well, heat the mixture for 30 seconds in the microwave. After heating, strain the mixture into a smaller container. The next step involves using cotton. A small piece should be rolled and dipped in the oil, removing excess before applying it to the ear. The cotton should remain in the ear for 10 minutes. The procedure needs to be repeated daily for 7 consecutive days. With this, the natural recipe can help relieve symptoms of labyrinthitis, tinnitus, and dizziness. After 10 minutes, the cotton should be discarded, and the recipe can be stored in the refrigerator for future use. Whenever reused, it needs to be heated for 20 seconds in the microwave. If the recipe shows good results, it will be interesting to share with friends and family. Contraindications of bay leaf. When consumed in excess, bay leaf tea can cause drowsiness, abdominal cramps, diarrhea, and headaches. Topical use can cause skin rashes and dermatitis in people hypersensitive to the plant. Bay leaf consumption is not recommended for children, nursing women, or during pregnancy, as it can stimulate miscarriage. Additionally, bay leaf consumption should be done with caution in people with diabetes, as it can significantly reduce blood sugar levels. First of all, it's important to clarify that tinnitus is not a disease, but a symptom that can be associated with several different causes. Therefore, the first thing to do is to discover the most appropriate treatment for the dysfunction or pathology that causes the symptom. Considering that the same patient may have several factors that contribute to the onset and worsening of tinnitus, it is essential, therefore, to consult an ENT doctor, preferably an otoneurologist, who is the medical specialist in dizziness and tinnitus, to obtain a diagnosis for your specific case. Do you have any other recipes with bay leaf for dizziness and labyrinthitis? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. I also encourage you to check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. Have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.